Good morning, my name is Jamie. I'm the location manager here at Atlas Backyard Sheds of Longview. For nearly 45 years, Atlas has been serving East Texas families with their backyard dreams. We are a family-owned and operated company that builds our sheds right down the road in Wills Point, Texas. Let's take a moment to show you some of our more popular units here on the Longview lot. Here we have our economy shed, which is great for storing small garden tools, hoes, rakes, push lawn mowers, weed eaters, etc. Okay, now I'm going to show you our deluxe shed. Come with me. And here we have our deluxe shed. And this you can store heavier equipment such as riding lawn mowers, four-wheelers, side-by-sides, things like that. With two 3-foot shop doors, you have plenty of room to bring all of your ATVs inside of here and store them securely. With our deluxe shed, you get a little bit upgrade on durability with our 16-inch on center wall studs, our floor joists, and 3/4-inch plywood. And here we are with our Atlas Deluxe Cabin. Many people like to turn these into she sheds, man caves, tiny homes, or even small businesses. One great feature about this unit is it comes with a big, beautiful porch to enjoy your time with your family, friends, or coworkers. Just like our deluxe sheds, our deluxe cabins also have 16-inch on center wall studs, 3/4-inch plywood, and 16-inch on center floor joists. Some of the upgradable options on a deluxe cabin include, but not limited to, insulated windows, insulated doors, electrical, and insulation throughout the structure. Now I'm going to take you to check out our deluxe cottage. Follow me. And here we have our brand new premium building that we like to call a deluxe cottage. Many people use these as tiny homes, exterior home offices, she sheds, man caves, or even playhouses. Some of the standard features with our deluxe cottage include a 9-light insulated door, insulated windows, 612 roof pitch, architectural shingles, LP smart trim, and a 1-foot overhang to protect you from the rain. Now let's take a look on the inside. Just like our deluxe cabin, we also have 16-inch on center wall studs, 3/4-inch plywood, 16-inch on center floor joists, as well as extra durable double top plate and wind braces, which help keep the building structurally sound. Now, before we get to our next line of buildings that we have, which is our barn styles, I want to showcase some of our other products that we have here at Atlas, which include our greenhouses, our decks, and our swimming pools. So not only do we have buildings, we have other backyard features for your home as well. And here we come back to our bargain barn. Our bargain barn is good for items that you will need center storage instead of side wall height. This is our low-cost introductory shed that's perfect for storing your lawn and garden tools, home decor, or any other small items to free up the clutter in your garage. And here we have our classic barn, which is one step up from our bargain barn. The classic barn also has 16-inch on center wall studs, 16-inch on center floor joists, 3/4-inch plywood, as well as a loft for overhead storage. And now I want to introduce you to our most popular shed for the last 45 years, our Pro Lofted barn. Come check it out. Our Pro Lofted barn is an upgrade from the classic barn, but it still has the 16-inch on center wall studs, floor joists, 3/4-inch plywood flooring, but it also has 2 lofts and a workbench. One of the greatest features of this building is the roof. As you can see, it is 4 sections that are built individually, like walls that are conjoined together at the completion of construction to ensure the stability of the product. And here we have our lofted barn cabin. Our lofted barn cabin is built similar to the Pro Lofted barn, except it has a loft over the porch with a window in it. This is a great building for your hunting lease, man cave, or any outside office that you can think of. Now that I've shown you all the products that are built by Atlas, let me show you some of the products that are built by Star that we offer. Here we have a 2-car garage which can be fully customized down to the size, the windows, and also the doors. And here we have an RV cover, perfect to cover your RV from the weather. And here we have a carport combo. In the front, there's a carport. You can park your vehicles, your ATVs, side-by-sides under, with a workshop in the back that also has a man door and a roll-up door. And here we have a basic carport that shields your vehicles from inclement weather. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you're in the market for a new shed or any of the products that we offer, please come see me at 9279 Highway 259 North in Longview, or call me at 903-757-3336. Again, my name is Jamie, and I look forward to meeting you.